Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you make smarter buying decisions with honest, expert product reviews. Today, we're looking at what we consider the best outside garden shed, the Suncast 54 cubic feet vertical storage shed. If you're searching for a tough, spacious, and weather-resistant solution for your outdoor storage needs, stay tuned. This might just be the perfect shed for you. Let's start with the design. This shed stands tall with a vertical layout, giving it a compact footprint while still offering an impressive 54 cubic feet of interior storage capacity. Its dimensions, 32.5 inches deep, 53 inches wide, and 71.5 inches high, make it ideal for smaller spaces like patios or narrow sections of your backyard, while still being roomy enough to store long-handled tools, garden equipment, and outdoor gear. You won't need to sacrifice valuable yard space to get serious organization. A big win for the Suncast shed is its durable plastic resin construction. It's not just for show, this material is built to last. The multi-wall panels are specifically engineered for strength, helping the shed withstand both the elements and regular wear and tear. Whether it's baking in the summer sun or facing seasonal rains, this shed holds its ground without warping or cracking. Now let's talk about weather protection. One of the things that sets the Suncast shed apart is its long-lasting water-resistant finish. That means your gardening tools, pool supplies, or whatever you decide to store inside won't be exposed to moisture or rusting over time. It's peace of mind you can count on year-round. Security is another area where this shed shines. It features lockable doors with a padlock hasp, so you can easily secure your belongings. Whether it's kids' bikes, expensive tools, or even just garden soil you don't want spilling everywhere, everything stays safe, organized, and right where you left it. Assembly is a common concern with outdoor structures, but Suncast makes it relatively straightforward. The shed comes with clearly labeled parts and multiple wall panels that interlock with ease. With a bit of patience and basic tools, you can get this set up in an afternoon. It's always good to have an extra pair of hands, but many users report solo assembly being totally doable. From a design standpoint, the neutral brown color blends nicely with most outdoor settings. It doesn't scream, storage unit. It has a clean, low-profile look that fits in with everything from rustic garden setups to modern patios. If you're comparing this to cheaper deck boxes or flimsy storage containers, this Suncast model gives you vertical volume and durability that blows them out of the water. At around 100 pounds, it's solid without being unmovable. And that's key, it's substantial enough to handle wind and weather but light enough to relocate if needed. In conclusion, the Suncast 54 cubic feet vertical storage shed delivers serious utility in a small footprint. It's rugged, weather-resistant, secure, and great-looking. For anyone who's tired of juggling garden hoses, tools, or backyard clutter, this could be the outdoor storage upgrade you've been waiting for. If this sounds like the right fit for your outdoor space, check out the link in the description for more details. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more product breakdowns from Product Critique. See you in the next one.